How to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap but without using a filter, which means the upload filter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video I will show you how you can send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap without filter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if I come to my camera roll, if I open up a specific person over here, if I want to send him a snap from my own camera roll, I would need to tap on this normally. Then over here I would need to just go into this filter section until I get all the way to the right hand side. I would need to go to the straight section, but I would need to use a filter that is called upload filter over here. Now personally, when you go to upload filter over here, you would need to choose a photo from your own gallery. So after this, here you'll be able to see a list of all these photos. You need to choose a photo from your gallery right over here and then just click a photo, and then you would need to send this, and then it would be sent as a snap and not as a chat. But let's say that this option is not convenient for you. Now for me personally, I think that this option is actually quite better than any other methods because it is going to work well when you want to send a normal snap without using any of the filter. So let me also just go ahead and show you what it looks like. I'm going to come back again, tap on the memories icon. I'll go to camera roll. I'll select a picture over here, but once I select this picture and if I want to send this to that person, so I'll just select it, I'll send it, but you can see that it has actually been sent as a chat. So if I go over here, it has been sent as a chat, not as a snap. And if I wanted to send as a snap, I had to use a filter. But what if you do not want to use a filter in the first place? So if you don't want to use a filter but you want to send snaps to that person, you have to do it with the help of stickers. So we are just going to come back again. We're going to come to the camera page, type on this little icon. We're going to choose that specific photo over here, and then we're going to drag this out, and then here you'll see this little scissors button. Just make sure to tap on the scissors button. If you want to resize this, you can do that as well. Tap on this little scissors icon which you see on the right hand side. Now over here what we will do is we'll just go ahead and then highlight all this over here, the part of the photo that you might want to send. I'm just going to leave like this. Now just tap on the done button to make this a sticker. Now just tap on next, and then here you'll see all this. So what you want to do is this time you want to just send it to that person and then hit the send button. Now you can just save as copy. Now once you save as copy over here, when you come back over here and then when you send it to that person, you can see again it has been sent as a chat. But this time, well, I'm just going to delete this for now. I'll just choose the option called delete. Now I want to send this photo as a snap, right? But we have saved that photo as a sticker earlier, so we're just going to tap on this. I'm going to choose a random photo here. I'll just select this random photo. Now we're going to tap on the sticker icon. When we go to the sticker icon, we'll come to our own sticker page over here, which is this icon, and then here you can see the sticker that we created earlier. Now we can just zoom out this, and then we can send this as a photo and as a snap, just like that. And this is the other way to do it, which is by using sticker. And now you can see this is delivered, which means that it has been sent as a normal snap without using filter. But personally, I like to send it without all this hassle, which means just by using an upload filter. You want to search for it in the explore section as well. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.